Now check if I'm audible, not audible. Okay, no problem. Now I think I should be audible. एक मिनट रुक जाओ भाई. Now please check if I'm audible. Okay. Yes, sir. No sound. Not audible. Now also I'm not audible. Now please let me know if I'm audible. And I welcome all of you to online study for you, a complete placement solution. Today we are going to cover the topics like problems on trains, and then we will be having probability from permutation combination, some basics, and a very important topic for today is statistics. Statistics is a very important topic. Every year, 1 to 2 questions you will be definitely able to see in your examination. So that also we will be discussing statistics. At least basic revision will be there. So we will start in another 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so let us see how many people have already connected here. Okay, so already 91 people are there. Thanks a lot, guys. Please do like the session. Definitely you will enjoy today's session, and also it will be very much beneficial for all of you. Okay, so friends, whatever today's topic we are going to cover, it is a scoring topic, and this is definitely going to help you in exam. So let us understand the basic first, and then we will be solving the problems based on problems on trains. Okay, so friends, trains, what you have to keep in mind, if a train crosses a person, right? If a train crosses a lamp post, okay, if a train crosses suppose a kind of pole, okay, so a pole, okay, a lamp post, okay, or lamp post, or maybe a person, in that case, my dear friends, a person, in all the three cases, so this is train, in all the three cases, the length of the train, okay, the length, total length will be, so suppose the length of this is L, so total length will be equal to L. But if a train crosses another train, like suppose L1 and L2, or a platform, okay, or a platform, okay, platform L2, then the total distance or total length will be L1 plus L2. Okay, so this is very much confusing, so please keep that in mind. So here distance will be only length of the train, but here distance will be length of both the trains, okay, or both the platform, because in front of train I am negligible. If train will touch from that one corner also, no, I will be seen in heaven only. Okay, heaven or hell, whatever it is, right? Okay, cool. Now the second thing, friends, comes with respect to the relative speed. That is a very important concept, and after that we will start solving the problem. Where relative speed, what is the relative speed? Okay, relative speed. Okay, now, so friends, if a train, right, if a train, suppose the speed is 50 km/h, okay, crosses another train, okay, now suppose 40 km/h. So relative means, right, relative means, see, relative means easily you can understand your relative, right? So whenever your relative comes to your home, what he or she will be telling, this guy as compared to my son, your son as compared to my daughter, always they will, your relatives, right, they will relate with their son, their daughter, their maid also. Your daughter, my maid cooks better than your daughter. So that is wherever relatives will come, no, they will start comparing. Okay, so when a train, okay, this is a train and this is another train, so this train, your relatives will tell that this train is 10 km, speed is 10 km/h more than the another train speed, right? Okay, now, so when they are moving in the same direction, okay, then your relative speed will be just subtract. That means 50 minus 40, it will be nothing but 10. S for same and S for subtract. If there will be opposite direction, if the same case, if this is opposite direction, then add. Keep only this in mind, nothing else is required. nothing else is required. Okay, so bhaiya, here 90 kilometer per hour and here 10 kilometer. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, now सर जी का हाल बा? अरे बहुत बढ़िया बा भाई, निशांत कुमार गुप्ता, बहुत बढ़िया। नीतीश निशांत, कौन निशांत हो भाई? ओके, नेक्स्ट। तो फ्रेंड्स, देन कम्स your kilometer per hour to meter per second to kilometer per hour. Always there will be confusion. We will remember that, अरे भैया 5 by 18 or 18 by 5. This confusion always comes in, right? Okay. So basically kilometer per hour, if you are going to convert it to meter per second, right? So in 1 hour, how many seconds? Sir, 3600 seconds. And in 1 kilometer, sir, it is 1000 meter. So 36 is coming. That means it is multiple of 18. So keep your 18 down. So it will be 5 by 18. Simple. If meter per second, if we have to convert into kilometer per hour, then sir, it is ulta. Then it is 18 by 5. So don't remember as such, try to understand how can we get that. And also one very important thing in time, speed and distance, in problem sentence, your units should be in the, units should be same. Like if you are going for kilometer, then hours and then kilometer per hour. If you are going for meter, then make sure that this is in second and then your speed will be in meter per second. So your distance, your time, and this is nothing but your right? So this you have to keep that in mind. This if you keep, that's all I am telling you, then this problem sentence is going to be very, very easy. And also one more thing I always tell you, in time, speed and distance, one parameter has to be constant. So if you talk about TSD, time, speed and distance, so one parameter will be always constant, then only you will be able to solve the question. Otherwise, solving the questions will be kind of impossible. Okay, not impossible, it will be impossible. Now the question number 1 is here for you, and let's see how many of you are able to solve it. Your timer, अरे भाई सर बैटरी डिस्चार्ज है सर, टाइमर कहाँ से लाइएगा आप? टाइमर इज गॉन मैन. लेट्स सी हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर एबल टू सॉल्व दिस. चलो, let me connect here, that is also one option. My laptop is discharged. Okay, anyone from Madurai? From Madurai कहाँ है भाई यहाँ पे? Are you searching bride or groom? Anyone from Bihar? Anyone from Bangalore? Okay, so your timer has already started actually. 30 seconds gone. Now let's see what is the correct answer you guys are giving. Okay, okay, so some answer we have already received, that's very good. So option C, Yadav Reddy Rohit, okay, Pooja, Puara, okay, Vamsi Krishna. So some answer we have received, that's very good. Now please try to understand here. Those who are lots of love from Nepal. Are from Nepal also people are watching? Are you writing TCS? Okay, so let's see how can we solve it here. Train A leaves a station at a certain time. So here you have train A. So here we have train A. So train A leaves a station at a certain time. We don't know. T o'clock maybe. Okay, or assume, sir, we don't know the time. So let's take one, assume one time, that 12. Just to understand, see, you basically understand that is more than sufficient for me, and moves at a uniform speed. Sir, speed क्या है? Sir, x kilometer per hour, because your units are given in the kilometer per hour. Okay. Now, after 5 hours, that means after 5 hours, okay, so another train is there. Okay, after 5 hours means, sir, 5 p.m. Sir, 5 p.m. After 5 hours, another train. Okay, so this train, suppose it has come, it has reached till here, train A. After 5 years, train B, so this is train B, leaves the station and moves in the same direction at a speed of 72 km per hour. 72 km per hour. Train B catches up with the train A. Okay, so train B is able to meet train A, right? So they both are catching each other in 3 hours. Okay, in 3 hours. Now, so friends, I wanted to ask you first, what is constant here? What is constant here? You have time, speed and distance. So what is constant? So distance is constant. Train A left the place at 12 and reached by, reached here. Train B 5 hours later and they reached here. So distance is same. So I can say, sir, distance by A train and distance by B train is same. Okay. Now, next thing is, you will see, so this train in 3 hours, see, this train started at 12, okay, and this train started after 5 hours, and this train in 3 hours catching train A. That means the other train has traveled only for 3 hours, but this train, okay, so this 3 hours, 5 to 8, so 5 to 8 p.m, okay, 3 hours, but this train has traveled for 8 hours. That is the only catch. So because 5 hours before, so 5 plus 3 total 8, and this train has caught train A in 3 hours. Correct? Okay. Now, so distance will be a speed. Sir, speed we don't know. Time is 8. Sir, distance is 72 and time is 3. Sir, 8 9 ja. So here x will be 27 km per hour. Unit you have to be very, very careful. So here option B will become the correct answer. This was a very, very simple question. It should have taken just 30 seconds to solve, but I wanted you to explain, so I took some time. Otherwise there is nothing. Okay, done. Okay, clear for everyone, guys? If it is clear, please let me know it is clear, and then we can move ahead to the next question. Yes, it was a simple question. It was not a complicated question, but we need to understand the concept, and I am already explaining you the basics, and based on the basics only, I am going to explain you the problem. Now, question number 2, your time starts right now. So your time started. So let's see who is able to solve. So please try to solve. Okay, so let's see how many of you are able to solve. I did not get any answer. Guys, please do like the session. So tomorrow we are going to have 3 hours of the session, 12 to 3 p.m, where I will be covering aptitude plus reasoning revision, remaining topic whatever is there in aptitude, and plus reasoning revision we will do. And then this is part 1, and part 2, 5 to 7 p.m, you will be having the verbal ability. So this is tomorrow timing. Okay, 125 meter, very good. Abhijit is telling, Ganesh is telling. Okay, option B, Option B, 125. 125, 125. So what is the length of the platform? Right? Okay. So let's see, many people are telling 125. So now let me try to solve it here. Okay. So a train running at a speed of, so there is a train is there. See here, if you see 36 kilometer per hour, the options is in meter. So you have to be little careful. So a train running at a speed of 36 kilometer per hour takes 30 seconds to cross a platform. So I cannot take the first line, because when a train crosses a platform, I will have two unknowns, length of the train and length of the platform. So leave that. A train running at a speed of 36 kilometer per hour, okay, takes 15 seconds to pass a man. So here a man is there who is running at 6 kilometer per hour, right? Okay, in the same in the opposite direction. So here it is. Okay, so 15 seconds to pass a man walking at 6 kilometer per hour in the opposite direction. Correct? A train running takes 30 seconds to cross a platform, and okay, fine, in opposite direction. Now here what you will do, my dear friends, so distance will be equal to a speed into time. Correct? So this is nothing but length of the train, right? So length of the train is L, because the person length will be equal to 0. Okay, now a speed is 36 kilometer per hour. Sir, opposite direction. So you said when it is opposite direction, then we need to add. So 36 plus 6, okay, and into time. So time is nothing but he is crossing the person in 15 seconds. Okay, so into 15. Now here you see this is in kilometer per hour and this is in second. Some problem is there. So 42 convert into meter per second, because hour is down and hour is a factor. 3600 is a factor of 18. So 18 will be down into 15. Now here 3 6 ja and 3 5 ja, and here 6 7 ja. So L will be 175. Correct? Okay, L will be nothing but 175. This is clear now. Now friends, the same train is crossing a platform. So its platform speed, definitely it will be 0. Length is L and this is LP. So distance will be equal to a speed into time, only one formula. So length, now when a train crosses a platform, when a train crosses another train, then you have to add the length. Speed is nothing but 36 kilometer per hour. My dear friends, convert it to meter per second. Why, sir? Because time is given in terms of second. That's all. Now length of the train we already know. So it is 175 plus LP will be equal to, sir, 18 2s. So 10 into 300. So your length of the platform will be equal to 300 minus 175. It will be equal to 125. Okay, that's all. Bhaiya, option D will be the correct answer, and many of you have already solved, and that is the reason I always tell you, friends, you are good. The only thing is you have to put continuous effort, because nothing happens in one class or two class. Continuous effort you are putting, you will definitely improve. Now you are only able to solve the question. That's all. Nothing more is required. Okay. Now question number 3. So please and trust me, there will be a question from problems on trains in your exam, and you are definitely going to do it. That's all. Okay. So now your timer starts now. Okay. Guys, I have one request from you. So our Instagram page, Online Study for You, has been deleted. So I request all of you to please follow me on Instagram. Okay, we will be direct in touch. I might not be able to reply to everyone. Okay, so that is one problem, because content also I have to prepare, classes also I have to take, the people who are working I need to talk to them also. So all those things I'll be keep doing. So please follow. Let's connect. Okay, on Instagram. I use Instagram very less, but let us try to connect. Okay, now I hope it is clear for everyone. So let us see. And friends, I'm telling you, today if there are 500, today if we get 500 plus likes, then tomorrow 12 to 3, 3 hours of the session will be there for your revision, final revision, final revision. Okay, otherwise if it is not there, because tomorrow Ugadi is there, so if people are not interested, then I will not do this session. So we'll see tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow we will see. Okay, so is it clear? 48 seconds, very good. So some of you have already given the answer, that's really good. Okay, okay, let's see. So let me solve it here. Where is the live classes? Okay, here. Oh, sorry, yaar, I completely forgot that Java one shot. Oh, I will upload it. I completely missed, got missed, man. So I totally forgot. I am telling you, I totally skipped from my mind. I will do it after this class ends. I will do it. Okay. So train A and train B are traveling in opposite direction. So we have train A, okay, and we have train B. They're traveling in the opposite direction, 80 kilometer per hour, and here we have 70 kilometer per hour respectively. And their lengths are 1.2 kilometer and 0.8 kilometer. See, here options are given in seconds. So what we will do, see, unnecessarily don't start, doing 5 by 18, 70 into 5 by 18, converting into meter per second. Don't do it now. We will do it at the end. Don't do it now. Okay. So now their lengths are 1.2. Okay. So what is the time taken by slower train to cross the faster train? Okay. Anyway, so here distance will be equal to speed into time. Now here 0.8 plus 1.2 will be 2 kilometer. Okay. Speed will be, they are moving in what? Sir, they are moving in opposite directions, right? So they are moving in opposite directions. So 80 plus 70 into time. So sir, it is 2 divided by 150 is equals to t, and this is nothing but in hours. Now hours, if we have to convert into seconds, so in 1 hour how many seconds will be there? Sir, in 1 hour 60 into 60 seconds will be, okay, divided by 150. So 1010 cancel, 15 4 ja 60, 2 4 ja 8, and 48 seconds. 48 seconds. So option C will become the correct answer for this particular problem. And let me know if it is clear for all of you. Let me know if it is clear for all of you. Done? Is it clear for you, everyone? Then we can move towards the next problem. Okay. So now moving towards the next problem, question number 4. So data interpretation, any one shot video is there? Data interpretation one shot video will be already there. Just check it on, YouTube. Data interpretation, some question will be there. Okay, so your timer has already started. Let's see who is solving this. Okay. Thank you, Sam bhai. So 1600, okay, 1600 is the answer. Raja is telling 1800. So guys, please give the correct answer. And what about, I am getting very less answer. Your timer is also up now. Yeah, today we will add this, the Java one. Thanks for reminding, I had completely forgot. 1700, 1600, 1800, guys, I am getting different answers. What is happening to you? What is happening to you? Chalo bhai, let's see how we will be able to solve. Okay, so a train moving at 144 kilometer per hour crosses another train. So there is a train is there. Okay, the speed of the train is 144 kilometer per hour. Crosses another train which is half of its length. So this train I will consider 2L. So this will become L. So I will consider this L by 2. Okay, do whatever you want. However you want, you can do it. That's not a problem. Which is half of the length moving in the opposite direction. Both are moving in the opposite direction with 36 kilometer per hour. Time is nothing but 6 seconds. Okay. So the length is this one. Okay. Now this I can use it. Distance will be equal to a speed into time. See, this train length is 2L and another train length is L. That means you have only one unknown. Is equals to a speed. So this is 144 and this is 36 because they're moving in opposite direction. Okay. So time is 6 seconds. Then definitely I need to convert this into meter per second. There is no other go. Now this will be 3L is equals to 180 into 5 by 18 into 6. So sir, 18 10 times and 3 2 times. So 10 into 10, sir, length is nothing but 100. So this train length is 100 and this train length will be 2L. That means a 200. Now they're telling if the train also crosses a railway platform. So if this particular train, which speed is 144 kilometer per hour. So if this train and length 200 meter, if it crosses a railway platform, this is my railway platform, okay, LP railway platform, in 45 second, time is 45 second, then find out the length of the platform. So distance will be equal to a speed into time. Sir, if a train is crossing a platform, then length of the train plus length of the platform. Sir, what will be a speed? Sir, 144 kilometer per hour convert into meter per second because hours 3600, so it will be a multiple of 18 and time is sir 45 second. Okay, sir, 18 8 times, so 200 plus length of platform will be equal to 40 into 45, it will be sir 1800. So length of the platform will be 1600 and that is what they are asking, I guess, in the question. So what is the length of the platform? So bhaiya, the length of the platform is option D and that is what is your correct answer. Guys, please do like the video. I am telling you, if there are more people who are going to watch tomorrow, if today we get 500 plus likes, then tomorrow 12 to 3 and 5 to 7, so almost 5 hours of the classes are already predefined, which will be very good for your average this revision. Okay, so that's what we are going to do tomorrow. Chalo bhai, jaldi se like kar lo, and also let us move towards the next problem. Is it clear for everyone? Please comment here. Yes sir, it is clear. I don't want you to waste your time, so things whatever I'm explaining, it should be clear to you. Now question number 5. Question number 5 I want everyone to answer and your time starts now. Let's see how many of you are able to solve. Chalo, first, your time has already started. Okay guys, once again I wanted to tell you, so let us connect over Instagram. So because our main account is closed, so I wanted you guys to interact on this particular Instagram account. This is my personal account. I think this will be the account which will be active now, where I'll be communicating to you all. So data interpretation we'll cover today, tomorrow, man. Okay. Okay, so can you solve this? Okay, your time is up. So we are getting some answers from Prakhar, Sajid, okay, Rohit, Adarsh Singh, option A, 90, 90, 90. Okay, so looks like 90 is the correct answer. Let's see. Two train moving in the opposite directions. Okay, one train speed is 29 km per hour. Okay, and another train speed is 25 km per hour. Are moving in opposite direction. They are moving in opposite directions. Now what they're telling, the faster train. So this is my faster train. Now there is a catch in this question. The faster train overtakes a person, not the train. In the slower train in 6 seconds. See, if they would have told the faster train overtakes a slower train, then we could not have solved it, because length of this is not known and length of this also will not be not known, so we will not be able to solve it. But here they are talking about what? So here they are talking about person sitting in the train, right? Okay, now so what is the length of the faster train? So here you see length, distance will be a speed into time. So length is L. Speed, they are moving in opposite direction, so add 29 plus 25, but this is in kilometer per hour, so I need to convert into meter per second, and time is 6, so that's all. Now L will be 54 into 5 by 18 into 6. Sir, this is 3 times. L will be 90. So the length of the train will be 90, and option A will become the correct answer for this particular problem. And now if this is clear, please let me know. We will be going ahead with next topic, next topic discussions. Yes, we add a speed if it is in different directions. We add a speeds if it is in different directions. So Shayanta Shaha, I think you came late. So if because already 5 problems we did on this concept, so if I'll repeat, then again it will be like kind of, for other people it will be a problem. Okay, now you tell me how many of you, right? So you tell me how many of you knows probability. How many of you knows probability? How many of you knows probability? Tell me. How many of you knows probability? Okay. So in probability, there are many things are there. One is like your points based questions. Okay. One is your dice based questions, and one is your cards based questions, and another is, you can say, the general questions. So it's not like there won't be any other questions. Okay. Okay, right? Okay, so little bit don't know service bar ninja ke liye. Okay, so many people are saying they don't know. No problem. Okay, so we will discuss some of the concepts. Okay, now here, so friends, probability will be equal to NE by NS. So what is NE by NS? So in a very simple way, this we will say as a total outcome, and this we will say as a favorable outcome. If I toss a coin, my dear friends, either you will be getting head or you will be getting tail, right? If you toss a coin, what all things you will be getting? Sir, either head or tail. So that is what. So probability, if I toss a coin and if I tell that I want head, okay. So first of all, what is the total outcomes? The total outcomes is two. One is head and one is tail. Now, if I say, right, so India or Pakistan match is there. Now, if you toss, you ask India, bhai chahte kya ho? What do you want? So he will tell, I want head. So head in my favor. So favorable event is 1 and here 2. 2 is nothing but total outcomes. So 1 by 2. So you can also say 50% or 1 by 2 will be probability. So your probability will be always between 0 to 1. Can you tell me when your probability will be 0 and can you tell me when your probability will be 1? Very simple question. So can you tell me when your probability will be 0 and can you tell me when your probability will be 1? Now if I say, if I am standing in west direction and waiting for sun to rise, अरे भाई वो impossible event है. For impossible event the probability will be 0. Okay, and when the probability will be 1, I am standing in the east direction waiting for sun to rise, 100% this will happen, universal truth. So it is nothing but 1. So because why I am telling, because many times you might get the answer 9 by 7. So 9 by 7 probability cannot happen because the probability always has to be less than 1. But generally you will not get this kind of option because TCS is not such fool which will give you option so that you can easily eliminate it. Now we will try to understand with the question. Please don't worry. Okay. See, in case of boys, no. In case of boys, when the probability will be 0. So I'll tell you. So you message to a unknown girl, okay, and expecting the reply. Arey bhai, the probability will be equal to 0. When the probability will be equal to 1, when a girl message you, okay, see, just sent you hi. After that, hello, how are you? So you started replying. Where are you from? When can we meet? What is your mobile number? So here your probability becomes 100%. Simple, right? So probability 0 and probability 1. Everyone understood? Okay. Now if that is clear, then you go ahead and solve the question number 1. भैया आपका टाइम स्टार्ट होता है अभी से. ओके सर, मेरा दोस्त प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 से ज्यादा निकाल देता है. बहुत सही है भाई, तुम्हारा दोस्त TCS भी निकाल देगा फिर. 7 by 9, very good. See, you guys were telling that you don't know and now you are solving left and right. See, a bag contains 3 red marbles. So here a bag contains 3 red marbles, 4 blue marbles, okay, and 2 orange marbles. 2 orange marbles, 2 orange marbles. If a marble is picked at the random, then the probability that is not an orange marble is. The probability will be equal to what? Sir, it will be NE divided by NS. Now what is the total outcome? So total outcomes is 3, 4, 7 and 2, 9. Okay. How many marbles you have to take? A bag contains, okay, if a marble is picked, if one marble is picked, 9C1. And what is the probability that it's not a orange marble? See, if you don't want a orange marble, then don't take from orange marble. Simple. See, if you are a vegetarian, so you will go to veg hotel or you will go to non-veg hotel. Sir, veg hotel only. So if you don't want orange, don't take from orange. Bhaiya orange ko hata do. So 7C1. So it will be nothing but 7 by 9. So that is clear. Option D. This was a simple question. Next questions will not be that simple. If you have already done it earlier, then well and good. Otherwise, it is not going to be that simple. Okay. One thing which you need to understand is, sir, everything we need to understand. Sir, aap bhi macha dete hain. Okay. Now, so what is NCR? NCR? हाँ sir, North Central Railway. Delhi NCR? No. This is combination NCR. So it will be n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial, right? So n factorial and divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Like if I ask you to find 5C2, that means first 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial and 5 minus 2 is nothing but 3 factorial. Sir, what is the, okay, sir, what is the, factorial how to calculate the factorial. So n factorial will be equal to n into, so start with n, keep subtracting, start with n, keep subtracting, and then end it to 1. Like if I want 5 factorial, so sir, start with 5, 5 into 4, 4 into 3, 3 into 2, and 2 into 1. If you multiply, it will be 120. Anyway, the other thing is, you should also keep that factorial in mind. So 0 factorial will be 1, 1 factorial will be 1, 2 factorial will be 2, 3 factorial will be, this is how you have to calculate, 6, 4 factorial will be 24, 5 factorial will be 120, 6 factorial will be 720, at least till 8, 720, 8 factorial will be, sorry, 7 factorial will be what? 7, 50, 40, 8 factorial will be what? 40, 32, 0. After that I also don't know, but at least till 9 factorial we should be able to keep that in mind. Okay, now, so here 5 factorial is what? See, I can write 5 into 4. See here, 5 into 4, and this is nothing but your 3 factorial. So into 3 factorial. Divided by 2 factorial is 2, and 3 factorial is 3. So if you cancel this, 2 2s are, so it will be nothing but equal to 10, right? So this is how you will be able to solve. Clear? Okay. So this is NCR and this is factorial value. I hope you remember it. Now the next question is, your time starts now, and let me see how many of you are able to actually solve it. Some people started watching the video reels on my Instagram profile also. Arey bhai. So let us, I told you to connect. Guys, I am seeing, like, just 159 likes. I told you, see, tomorrow there is a festival, and if you people are not interested, so if there are 500 plus likes are not there, then I am not going to take the classes from 12 to 3. As I said, 12 to 3 aptitude and reasoning revision, and 5 to 7 verbal ability revision is there. But if you guys are not serious, if you guys cannot attend tomorrow, then definitely that classes will not happen. Why NCR? See, this is combination, right? So permutation is arrangement and combination means selection. So out of 5, total 5 is there. You are selecting 2, right? See, if there are 2 mobiles are there, I am selecting 1. So 2C 1. Okay. So that is what is the concept. Could you please explain, tell why NCR? I already explained, Yuvraj. Like done sir. बहुत बढ़िया. बोलना पड़ता है यार लाइक के लिए. लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो. Okay. Cool. Now here you see. So there are some answers, 5 by 7, 2 by 7. So find the probability that a leap year chosen at random has 53 Friday. So now first of all, leap year, we will see what is leap year. So leap year is a year which is divisible by 4. Like let's say 2000, 2004, 2008. So all are leap year because it is divisible by. Okay. Now, and what is the beauty of leap year? So sir, leap year there will be 366 days. There is 366. So right now it is 226. 228 is going to be a leap year. In that there will be 366 days, and there only February comes 29 days. Okay, if you understand, then February will be 29 days when in the leap year. Okay, now how to find the question whether combination or not. See, if they're asking for selection, okay, if you have to choose something, if you have to select something, that is nothing but combination. Anyway, in probability, probability is all about selections, right? So here all about choosing the values. So here NCR will be there. Okay. See, that is the reason I'm telling you, right? So for everything basics will be required. It's not like you will be directly able to learn in 1 hour and in half an hour. Okay. Otherwise everybody will become expert in aptitude and then people will not, people doesn't need me only. Okay. Fine. So 366 days. In 366 days, how many weeks will be there? Sir, in every year 52 weeks will be there. So if you divide 7 5s are 35 and 7 2s are 14. So sir, every year 52 weeks will be there. 52 weeks means 364 days and plus 2 more days will be there. 2 more days will be correct. Okay. Now, so friends, what they're asking, so find the probability that a leap year chosen at random will be having 53 Friday. Now friends, if 52 weeks, every week will have a Friday. Every week will have a Friday. So already 52 Fridays are here. Now in these 2 days only we have to see, right, that one Friday will be there or not. So that 2 days may be Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, and then again Saturday, Sunday. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So total 7 possibilities are there. In that, if these 2 days falls either Thursday, Friday or Friday, Saturday, then only I will be having 53 Fridays. So 2 by 7, option A will become the correct answer. That's all. We are done. Explain with using NCR. Bhaiya, NCR also we will do. Okay. So NCR we will do, but I will explain you NCR, don't worry. अरे कहाँ सेंचुरी ईयर में चलेगा भाई? Century year is blue moon. Okay, is it clear for everyone, guys? If it is clear, please do like the session. As I told you, if there are 500 plus likes, then tomorrow we are going to have 5 hours of live sessions, and only based on your interest. If you're interested, we will do. So that's what we will wait for 500 plus likes. If not there, then we will not do. What is there in that? Okay. The next question. So all these questions are very good questions. The next question here is, okay, repeat I am late. So if you are late, what you do, the live session you go back and watch it once again. No problem. YouTube has so many features. सर भैया के फोन से भी लाइक कर दिया. अरे संपत भाई, थैंक्स यार. भाभी के फोन से लाइक मत करना. चलो, just kidding. So thank you yaar. See, it's all like because of you only I am telling. So if you guys are really watching, really interested, then definitely I don't have any problem in doing that. मीत जरीवाला, सर मेरा एग्जाम 21 को है, वर्बल एंड रीजनिंग क्लियर है, बस एप्टीट्यूड का इशू है. एप्टीट्यूड का इशू मुझे भी है. दैट्स द रीजन आई एम टीचिंग यू, सो दैट मेरा एप्टीट्यूड थोड़ा स्ट्रांग हो जाए. So I am also in the same boat. Please don't worry about it. Okay, so I liked. Thank you guys. Now I'm waiting for the answers. ओके मानसी, फिर से अप्लाई करो, इस बार भी क्लियर होगा, डोंट वरी. दिस टाइम TCS इज लाइक, भैया मुझे हायर करना है भयंकर. ओके, तो दिस ईयर ऑल्सो डिग्री स्टूडेंट इज नॉट एलिजिबल. इवन आई डोंट नो हिंदी, आई वॉचिंग योर वीडियोज, गुड एक्सप्लेनेशन सर. अरे युवराज, वेयर आई एम टॉकिंग इन इंग्लिश हिंदी यार. सो ओनली लिटिल बिट आई एम टॉकिंग इन हिंदी, बट मोर I am talking in English because I am not comfortable in Hindi. you know, I did my masters in English from Oxford University, and after that I just like English. Okay, Hindi, like, you know, I learned a little bit in India, but I am very much comfortable in verbal ability English. Okay, so don't worry about it. Let's see. So a student is asked to select a 4-digit number. So this is having a combination of permutation and combination plus probability. Okay, this is a combined question. A student is asked to select a 4-digit number. So a student, we asked him, why you select one 4-digit number. See how many digits you have, sir. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So total we have 10-digit number. Okay, now, so what is the probability of him selecting a number that has digit 5 in it? So first what I am going to do is, see, what is my approach is, I will find all 4-digit number, that is what I will find, and then I will find numbers having 5 in it, and then I will subtract. So what I will get? Numbers having no 5 in it, simple, right? So this is the concept, you have to use it everywhere. Okay, now, so let's see. First place, I have total 10 digit. First place, how many digits I can put? By a 0 I cannot put. If you put 0 at first place, then it will become 3-digit number. So I have only 9 choice. Next, sir, I have total 10 choice, because here I can put 0. See, if I put 0 3 4 2, array sir, this is a 3-digit number, not a 4-digit number. Here also 10 and here also 10. So sir, total 4-digit number is 9 into 10 into 10 into 10. So that is nothing but, sir, 9,000. Okay, my first step is clear. Now I want 4-digit number which having 5. So what is the probability of selecting a number that has the last, what is the probability of selecting a number that has the digit 5 in it? I'm sorry. So having 5 in it, not having 5 in it will be equal to having 5 in it. So I'm sorry. Okay, now, so now I'm going to find out what is the probability of selecting a number that has digit 5 in the at least one. Now I'm going to find out where 5 is not there. So how many choice I have here? Sir, again, I cannot put 0. I cannot put 0 here. That means probability of selecting a number that has the digit 5 in it at least once, right? Okay, so what you did here? Okay, so what you did here, 3168, how did you find it out? Having 5 in it at least once. What is the probability of him selecting a number that has digit 5 in it at least? No 5. Okay, so if there is no 5, then at first place I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I have 8 choice. I cannot put 0. I cannot put 5. Second place I have 9 choice. Third place I have 9 choice, and here 9 choice. So 729 into 8. So this will be nothing but 8 9 just 72, 2 7, 8 2 just 16 plus 7 3 and 58. Okay, now, so 9,000 and minus 5832. So it will be 10 minus 2 is 8. So looks like 8 is here. Then 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 8 is 1. 8 minus 5 is 3. So what I did, all 4-digit number I calculated, then not having 5 in it, 5830. So whatever numbers we are having, it is having 5 in it, at least one or more than that. Clear? Is it clear for everyone? Done? So first calculate not having 5 in it and whatever will be remaining. So we need to find out the probability. So probability will be equal to, so what is the probability? Ne by ns. So sir, total numbers is 9000 and what you want is 316, right? So that is the reason option B is the correct answer. So please explain again. So what to explain? See, I found what is the total number and then I found if 5 is not there at all. So at first place 0 cannot come because it will become 3 digit number, and then 5 I do not have to keep. So 5 I am anyway removing. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, I have total 8 numbers. Okay, next here. So here 5 anyway cannot come, but at the second place I can bring 0 because if I have a number like 4036, this is a 4 digit number. So here I have total now 9 choice. Again now 9 choice, again now 9 choice. So total is nothing but 5832. I have 5832 such number which does not have 5. Which does not have 5. Okay, does not have 5. Now if I'll subtract from the total number, then I will have 3168 total number which we will have 5 in it. Sir, why use 9 and 10 in step 1? 9 and 10 because here total number I am calculating. So how many 4 digit total number you can make? So total 4 digit number I can make is, see, first place 0 should not come. So 9, second place 0 can come. Third place 0, second place all 10 digit can come. Third place all 10 digit can come. Last place all 10 digit can come, right? So total 9000 digit. Clear? The video will be there, Susmita. So don't worry about it. The video will be there. Going for dinner. Okay, Susmita, day business. Have dinner and come back. We will be waiting for you. Clear for everyone, guys? If it is clear. सर मेरे भाई ने भी आपसे ही एप्टीट्यूड सीखा है तो लाइक बनता है. थैंक यू भाई, दबा के लाइक करो. हाउ टू इंक्रीज स्पीड? So use calculator, automatically the speed will increase. A speed will increase, but कहाँ लिखा है 5 नहीं लेना है. AI इंटेलिजेंस, वो बोला है 5 लेना है, वो बोला है 5 होना चाहिए. तो टोटल नंबर माइनस. सी, इफ आई एम अर्निंग 100 rupees, how much I am spending, right? So if I'm earning 100 rupees, 20 rupees I am saving. So how much I am spending? Sir, 80 rupees. In other words, if you are earning 100 rupees, spending 80 rupees, how much you are saving? So 100 minus 80, 20 rupees. वही है. Sir, we want aptitude, advanced aptitude question. अरे साजिद भाई, क्या क्या करवा दूं यार. ये बेसिक, सी, मीडियम लेवल ऑफ क्वेश्चंस ओनली यू आर नॉट एबल टू सॉल्व. इफ आई विल डू मोर टफर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट विल यू डू? पहले बेसिक तो कर लो यार. Rishikesh Sinde, thank you so much for this much effort. Thank you. See, all your words, your likes gives the motivation. So definitely, it's all because of your support, because of your love. All those things are there. So 1 by 36, 1 by 216. भाई थोड़ा सोच के आंसर. So please think a bit and then answer. Please think a bit and then you answer. Guys, please do like the session. If there are 500 likes are not there, tomorrow the sessions we will not be doing it. Okay. Okay. So that is for sure. Option B, many people are telling. Okay. Now let's see. This is a Dias problem. So 3 dice are rolled. So friends, have you seen the dice in Mahabharat, right? So in Mahabharat, Ramayana, in Ramayana, Kunti is there, Karo is there, they play, right? And then what happens? That was there in Mahabharata, not in Ramayana. And then all these things happens. From that time only this became very famous. So this is your, this is exactly your dais. So on dais 1 will be there, 2 will be there, okay, somewhere 3 will be there, 4 will be there, 5 will be there, and then 6 will, right? Okay. So dice mean Ludo dice or other. Ludo dice only. Okay. Now here if you'll see, so if you throw the dice once, then the total outcomes either you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. That means 6 to the power 1. If you throw 2 dice, then you will be getting total outcomes is 36. On first dice 1 1, second dice 1 2, like this 1 6. Then 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, like this 2 6. Then 3 1, 3 2, like this 3 6. Then 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 5, 4 6. Then 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 6. Then 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. 6 square. When you throw 3 dice, when you roll 3 dice, total outcomes will be 216. Okay, total outcomes will be 216. That is the problem. Just a minute, I'm getting a call. Sorry guys, I'm back. Okay, so what all you guys are doing here? So please don't do all those things. Okay, so let me remove some of the people. uh, this is really like it was not expected from me. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so fine, here if you'll see, so 3 right, 6 cube will be 216. Now what we have to do, so we have to find out the probability of getting sum as 16, right? Okay, a minute. Okay, so now here we have to get sum as 16. So what all we can do, see, suppose now we have 3 dias. So on first dias if we have 1, second dias 6 and third dias 6, will be getting 16? No sir. Second dias 2, then 6, then 6, 14, no. 3, 6, 9 and 6, 15, no. Okay, now if we take 4, then 6 and 6, we will be getting 16, because we need total sum as nothing but 16, correct? Okay, next if you see from here only, you can take one more combination, 6 4 6 and then 6 6 4, right? Okay, so with 4 and 6 we are completed. Now with 5, so 5, here you take 5 and then 5 and then 6, so 11, 5 5 10 16, then you take 5, then you take 4 9, no it will not come, then 5 6 5 and then 6 5 5. So I have total 6 output where we will be getting 16 as a sum. So 6 divided by 216 and then it will be 1 by 36. So option B will become the correct answer for this particular problem. Is it clear for everyone? Yes, 466, 646, 664, very good. So 1 by 36 is going to be correct answer for this particular problem, right? Okay, I hope it is clear for everyone. Now the next question in front of you. So one card is randomly drawn from a pack of 52 cards. So what is the probability that the card drawn is a face card? So total cards you will be having 52. I will just give you some hints. Out of that, 26 will be black and our 26 card will be red. And our 26 card will be black and 26 will be red. Correct? Okay. And in this, in black and in red, we will be having, right, so 13 heart, okay, and 13 diamond. Here I will be having 13 spade, okay, and then I will be having 13 diamond. What is that? Spade, okay, 13 spade, club, so this will be called as club, this will be called as spade, this will be called as heart, and this will be called as diamond. Okay, now if we'll talk about the 13 card, so we'll be having the A, okay, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and then we will be having jack, there will be a face here, then we will be having JKQ, so we will be having face here, and then we will be having queen, so we will be having a face here. Okay, so every 13 cards will have 3 face card, every 13 will have 3 face card, every 13 will have 3 face card. Now what they're asking, what is the probability that the card drawn is a face card? So it will be NE divided by NS. Now total outcomes, so total outcomes is 52 cards, okay, and then what is the probability that the card drawn is a face card? Total face card will be 12. So total face card will be 12. Please keep that in mind. So 4 3s are and 4 13s are. So 3 by 13, that is option C, will become the correct answer. Clear? Done? Yes, so if you have started, if your foundation is good, you will be easily able to clear. Okay. Now, okay, done. Okay, now the next question. So next question is here. In how many ways the letters of the word calculator can be arranged? Okay, so can be rearranged. So this is a question of permutation and combination. Now let's see how many of you are able to solve. Okay, please. Done. Sir, confidence नहीं आ रहा है. Confidence will come, dude. Don't worry. Okay. So the confidence will come. Please solve this question quickly. Okay, is it done? So please connect on Instagram as I said. So let us connect, and as our main channel is deleted by Instagram, so this will be the active. So here only I'll be now making the videos and all. So let us connect. And friends, as I already told you, so if there are 500 plus likes, okay, tomorrow I am going to conduct 12 to 3 and 5 to 7 revision session. If it is not there, so definitely we will not be able to do, because if you're not interested, there is no point of doing that. Clear? Okay. So how many ways can the letters of the word calculator can be arranged? So friends, if you'll see calculator, right? Calculator. Now if I ask you, in how many ways the letters of the word pratik can be arranged? In how many ways the letters of the pratik can be arranged? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 6 factorial. So all the letters are different. So it can be arranged in 720 ways. See, the meaning is, if you have a word pratik, right? Okay. So this is one word. Now R and P I will shift. So it will become rapatic, right? Okay. Again, what I can do, I will bring A here and R there. Then apretic. So like this, in how many ways I can arrange? Sir, 720 words I can get. With calculator, the problem is, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 factorial divided by. Now C is repeated twice. So divided by 2 factorial. L is repeated twice. So divided by 2 factorial. And then A is repeated twice. So divided by 2 factorial. So 10 factorial is nothing but 3, 6, 2, 8, 8, 00. And here 2 into 2 into 2, 8 factorial. No, that is wrong. So 2 factorial is 2, 2, 2 divided by 8. And then you will be getting 453, 600. Option B will be the correct answer for this particular problem. Is it clear? Sir, the ads on the website is put by YouTube. I do not have any control. You cannot switch off the ad on YouTube. Okay, that is YouTube feature. So YouTube is doing because they wanted to earn revenue. So what you can do is, okay, Google is doing the same thing. Now the last question. After this question, we will be moving towards. After this question, we will be moving towards statistics. So please do it fast. Chalo bhai. Thank you. Thank you guys. Okay. So please solve this question fast. So please solve this question fast. Thank you, Yasu bhai. Okay, so let me see, 41 by 44. Okay, 3 by 44. So a box contains, so there is a box in that 5 green, okay, 4 yellow and 3 white marbles are there. 3 marbles are drawn at random. What is the probability that they are not of the same color? Now friends, see, you first find it out, because they are not of same color. There will be lot of probability will be there. Not of same color means one green, one yellow, one white. Okay, two green, two yellow, two green, two white, one green, two yellow. Sorry, one. Okay, so there will be lot of combination will be there. To avoid that, what you do, you find it out when they are of same color. When they are of same color, right? Okay. So now see, total is what? Sir, total is 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. How many marbles you are going to take? 3 marbles. So 12 C3. Now we are finding when they are of same color. So when they are of same color, that means all 3 you take green, all 3 you take yellow, all 3 you take white. You take white, right? Okay. So 5C3, 5C3 will be 10. Okay, 5C3 will be 10. 4C3, see, 4C3 or 4C1 both will be same. There is a property NCR and NCR minus 1. That means 4C1 and 4C R minus 1, right? So NC N minus R. NCR, so N minus 1, right? Yeah. So this both will be same. That means 4C1 and 4C N minus R, that value will be same. So this will be 4. And other property is NCN will be equal to 1. So this, all those things you should know. Divided by 12C3. How do we calculate 12C3? So sir, 12C3 means 12 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 12 minus 3 is 9 factorial, right? Okay. So 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 factorial. I will stop till 9 factorial. 3 factorial will be 6 and 9 factorial. So 9 and 9 cancel. 6 2 times. So it will be 220. So here it will be 220. Now I got 15 divided by 220. So 5 3s are and 544 times. So 3 by 44 is the probability when you will be having of same color. Now if you don't want of the same color, just subtract it. So it will be 41 by 44. So that will be your correct answer. Option D becomes the correct answer for this particular problem. Statistics, it is very important sir, TCS nqt के लिए, mode median. Okay, so I know statistics is important. Is it clear for everyone guys? Shall we move? Right, so what we did is we calculated, right? So what we did is we calculated, okay, when they are of same color, and we subtracted from 1. We subtracted from 1 means, that means it will give you when they are not of same color. Clear? Okay, now comes statistics. So statistics is going to be a very important topic in your TCS exam, and mainly here it comes in statistics, right? So mainly we get to know mean, median, mode, right? Okay, and then we will have some kind of standard deviation, variance. So whatever questions we are going to do for statistics, all this question has been asked in TCS examination. Okay, so mean is nothing but average. Don't use much of your mind. So mean is nothing but average. Already you know average, right? You have already studied. So mean is nothing but average. So we do not have to use much of your mind there. Clear? Okay. Then comes median. So median means the middle value, right? Okay. Now let's see. Okay, so before finding out median, try to arrange them in ascending order. Ascending order. Okay, fine. Now if I tell you what will be the median of this number. So if the number of numbers are odd, total numbers are 5 here, then your median will be the middle value, 6, right? This will be your median. Now if I give you a number, here you can see Now if I give you a number 1, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Here if you'll see, the middle value is 5, two middle values are there. So two middle value cannot be your median. Here you have two middle value and two middle value cannot be your median. So here 5 plus 6 by 2, that means it will be 5.5. 5.5 will be your right. Okay. So here also you can see. Okay. Fine. So once again, I will tell you here. So once again, I will tell you here. Okay. So we have mean, median, median and mode. So mean is nothing but average. Okay. Mean is nothing but average. Median, I told you, if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then median will be your middle number. Always try to arrange in the ascending order. Okay. And then only you can find out the median. And if you have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, then you have two middle value, and two middle value cannot be your median. So 6 plus 8 divided by 2, that means 7 will be your median. Now the third one will be mode. So mode will be the most frequent data in a data set. The most frequent data in a data set. Okay. Now here if I tell you 1, 2, right? So here if I tell you 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, right? 14, 16, 10, 12, 10, 4, 10. So what is the most frequent data? That is nothing but 10. So 10 will become your, so 10 will become your mode. 10 will become your mode. Clear? 10 will become your mode. That's all. Okay. Now, okay, fine. Then standard deviation. So for a standard deviation, we have a formula here. So standard deviation. Okay. So this value will be called as variance. Okay, variance. And then standard deviation will be square root of the variance. Okay. So here sigma of x minus x bar square divided by n minus 1, where this x is nothing but mean, that's all. Okay. Now we will start solving the problem, and after that one by one we will be able to see. Now this is a question which has been already asked in TCS exam. So can you please try to solve this question? This has been already asked in the TCS exam. So can you please try to solve this question? With what value should the highest quantity in data should be replaced so that the mean and median becomes equal? Now, so data whatever they have given, right? So what are the data they have given? I am trying to arrange in ascending order. 14, 18, 26, 32, 35, 38, 52 and 65. So these are the data given, right? So 14, 18, 26, 32, 35, 38, 52 and then 65. Now you please tell me the answer for this. I'll give you 1 minute of time. 53. So already one answer we have got from Raja Baljoria. Okay, the Saul creator 53. Very good. Chalo bhai. What about other people? 53, 53. Okay. Okay. So now see, here I can get the median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 value I have. That means definitely I need to pick this. So 32 plus 35 and then divided by 2. So it will be 67. 67 by 2 will be nothing but 33.5. So we got the median. Okay. And see, median does not have to do anything with the last value. So that is the reason we have just ignored it. Median does not have to do anything with the last value. So we ignored it. Now what they are telling, your mean and median, your mean and median should be equal. Okay, now, so mean, how will I calculate? So last value I do not have to take, last value I have to replace, and I have to replace in such a way that mean becomes equal to median. So mean will be what? Now mean is nothing but average. So sir, add everything. 35 plus 38 plus 52 plus x, okay sir, divided by 8. And so these are the value which I have to replace, so that the mean becomes equals to the median, that is 33.5. Clear? Is my video lagging? Guys? Okay, let me know if you feel that my video is lagging. Is it buffering? Because I could feel here that my video is now lagging, not sure why. Okay, now here if you'll see, 215 plus x divided by 8 is equal to 33.5. so 215 plus x will be equal to 8 5s are 40, 8 3s are 24, 27. So 8 40, 24, 28 and 268, right? So x will be equal to 3 5 53. So the answer will be 53. Now let me know. Yeah, buffering thoda. I don't know. Okay, your stream key, as much as viewers will experience buffering. Let me see. If it is still buffering, then I need to. Audio clear, video lagging. Okay, let me see. Problem, what is the problem? So let's me go to the setting, output, bitrate. Bitrate is reducing. I'm reducing. YouTube is not receiving enough. Okay, I hope the problem is solved now. There is no sort tricks for the statistics problem. So there is no sort tricks for the statistics problem. So please don't expect the sort tricks in statistics. Okay, that will not be there. Clear? Okay, so there won't be any shortcut techniques in statistics. Okay, if this question is clear, then we will be moving towards the next problem, question number 2. So question number 2 is, with symbols having their usual meanings, the name of the given data below is 39.2. What is the missing frequency? With symbols having their usual meaning, the mean. So the mean is given 39.2. So the mean here is given 39.2. You need to find out, okay, you need to find out the frequency. So friends, the frequency will be equal to sigma fx divided by x, okay, sigma x. That means you multiply this 36 into 10 plus 40 into 13 plus 35 into 12. Here I will assume as x. So 44x divided by total. So 10 plus 13 plus 12 plus x. So this is 360. This is 520. This is 12 is 360 plus 60. 420. So this will be 0, 10, 13. So 1300 plus 44x divided by 35 plus x will be equal to, so the mean is given 39.2. If you solve, you tell me what will be the answer. So 1300 minus 39.2 into 35 will be equal to 44x minus 39.2x. So it will be 4.8x will be equal to some value. So can you tell me what will be the answer here? So let's see. Let me use a calculator. चलो भाई calculator कहाँ पे हो, निकल जाओ. 15. So somebody is telling 15. So here 1300 minus 39.2 into 35, and that will be equal to 72. So x will be equal to divided by 4.8, 15. So x will be equal to 15. So here the value was 15. So that's all is the correct answer. Sir, will the calculator available for all questions in the exam? Yes, calculator will be available for all questions in the exam. It's up to you. So calculator how are you using, but calculator will be there in the exam. Guys, fatafat like the video yaar, 500 plus likes, and tomorrow I am going to take the class for you. Okay, now question number 3. So question number 3 is, what is the mean deviation? So what is the mean deviation from the median for the given data below? So now here mean and median both are there. So let's see how are we going to solve. Your timer starts now. Chalo bhai. So your timer has already started. So let's see how are we going to solve it. Okay. So what is the answer? Did not receive any answer. So what is the mean deviation? So they're asking what is the mean, okay, deviation from the median. So first calculate your data here is, sir, 28, 34, 46 and 48, right? Okay. Now, so here 4 datas are there. So my median will be equal to 34 plus 46 divided by 2. That is nothing but 100 by 2 is, sorry, this is 80. 80 by 2 will be nothing but equal to 40. Now, so I got my median. So I got my median is equals to 40. Now they are telling there are the datas 28, 34, 46 and 48. What is the deviation? So deviation here is 12. Okay. So plus minus you don't have to think. 40 minus 28, 12. Here the deviation is 6. Here the deviation is 6. Here the deviation is 8. So this is the deviation. We got the deviation. Now you have to find out the mean of the deviation. So sir, mean will be nothing but, so deviation is what, 12 here. Deviation is what, 6. Deviation is what, 6. Deviation is what, 8. And then divided by 2. So it will be 20, 36 by 2. It will be 18. So maybe options might be wrong. Are you getting 18 as the answer? If you are getting 18 as the answer, then we are sorted. If you are getting 18 as the answer, then we are sorted. 500 plus likes, and tomorrow's 5 hours of the continuous classes. So let me know if it is sorted. Okay, clear for everyone? Why divide by 2? Okay, so I'm sorry, I divided by 2. Okay, it's sorry, it should be divided by 4. So 18 plus 6, 24, 32 by 4, it will be 8. I'm really sorry. So it will not be 18, it will be 8. So I'm really sorry. Here you have to calculate mean. So mean will be sum by number. So by mistake I had divided by 2. It will not be divided by. Okay. So thanks Akash Creative. So it will be divided by 4, not by 2. Okay. So the mean deviation from the data given below will be 8. 8 is the correct answer. And I'm really sorry for this mistake. Okay, clear. Chalo bhai. Next question. The marks of the 10 student in an English test are given below. So what is the population standard deviation? So standard deviation I showed you just now. So it will be x minus x bar whole square for all the value of I divided by n and to the square root. So the first thing we need to calculate is mean here. See this, these are the most asked question in TCS. So you cannot compromise with. Okay, so fine. Now let's see here. X bar. So x bar is, we have to calculate here mean. So 10 plus 21 plus 22 plus 35 plus 37 plus 13 plus 16 plus 18 plus 24 plus 34 divided by how many numbers are there? So please tell me what will be the value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it will be 10, right? Okay. So if you add everything, I think it will be 230. So it will be 23, right? So just check it out. What will be the value? Classes will get over in just 10-15 minutes. So 10 plus 21 plus 22 plus. So calculations will be here. There is no doubt. And there is no option also. 16 plus 18 plus 24 plus 34. It will be 230. 230 by 10 is 23. Now this is our x bar. Okay, fine. Now we have to find out the deviation, and from that deviation we need to find out the square, right? So here we have 23. Okay, now so 23, the first deviation is nothing but 10. So how much deviation? 13. So 13 square, 169. Then 21. So the deviation is 2. So 2 square is 4. Then the third deviation is 22. So 1. So 1 square. So basically we are calculating this and we will be adding it. Then 35. So it is 12 square. So 12 square is nothing but, sir, 144. Then 37. So 37 is nothing but, sir, 23 and 14. So sir, 14 square here, that is nothing but 196. Then we have 13. So sir, 10 square, right? So it will be 100. Then we have 16. So sir, 16 is nothing but 7 square. So it will be 49. Then 18. So sir, 5 square, that will be nothing but 25. Then it is 24. So sir, 1 square, it will be 1. Then it is 34. So 10 square, 10 square will be nothing but 100. Now I'm sorry, this is 11 square, right? So 34 and 23, it will be 11 square, it will be 121, and 10 was where? Here, right? So 23 and 10. Now this we need to add it. So if you add this number 169, okay, 169 plus 5 plus 1, sorry, plus 144 plus 196 plus 100 plus 49 plus 25 plus 1 plus 121. It's nothing but 800, and so this we have called sum 810, and then divided by total number is 10. So it will be a square root of 81 and 9. So that is nothing but our option A will become the correct answer for this particular answer question. Is it clear? Too much lengthy? Yes. So standard deviation questions will be this lengthy. So there is no doubt. Okay. So there is no doubt standard deviation questions will be lengthy in the examination. Guys, can you quickly like the sessions? As I told you, if there are 500 plus likes are there, tomorrow definitely 5 hours of the classes will be there. And quickly connect on Instagram, because this is what I'm going to use it. Yes, you are in the safe zone, Panda Babu. So you are in the safe zone. Okay, now, so next we will see, so we will have a similar question, question number, okay, question number 5. And question number 5 I wanted you to solve quickly. So can you please solve quickly? Okay, so this question answer I wanted you to give. Can you please try it out? See here, what is the standard deviation of the given data? So first what we will do, again the formula is same. So x minus x bar, because this you need to practice, because in exam if the questions are there, please solve it. So now here x bar will be equal to mean. Okay, so 47 plus 15 plus 37 plus 20 plus 38 plus 42 plus 18, correct, divided by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7. The 38 plus 42 will be what? 80. 80 plus 20 will be 100, right? Okay, then 37 plus 85 will be 45 55, and 55 plus 55 plus 5 60 70, and plus 47 divided by 7. So this will be 170, 217 by 7, it will be nothing but 31. Okay, now after this we need to find out how much deviation is there, right? So how much deviation, and then square. So 47 minus 31 square, so that is nothing but 16. 16 square, that is nothing but 256. Next is 47 minus 15 square, so 7 minus 5 is 2, and 4 minus 1 is 3, right? So here the, sorry, 31. Oh, first one was correct. So 37 minus 31 square, 16 square is 256. Next is 31 minus 15 square, this is again 16 square, so 256. Then 31 minus 37 square, tell me the value. 6 square will be 36. 6, 3 minus 1 is, okay, 7 minus 1 is 6, 4 minus, okay. Then 31 minus 20 square, deviation 11 square, that is 121. Then 31 minus 38, that means 7 square, 7 square is 49. Then 31 minus 42, so this is again 11 square, it is 121. And then 31 minus 18, that is nothing but 13 square, this will be nothing but 169. Tell me the sum. So tell me what will be the sum here, and then we will keep it inside this. Okay, so what is the sum, guys? 256 plus 56 plus 36 plus 121 plus 49 plus 121 plus 169, it is 1008. So I am getting 1008 and divided by n, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7. So 7 1 ja 7, 7 4 ja 28, 7 4 ja 28, 12, 12.0. So that will be your standard deviation. Option B will become the correct answer for this particular problem. And that's all. So today we are going to finish our live session here itself. Okay, so these were the some question which I wanted to discuss on statistics. I hope it is clear. So mean, median and mode, right? So that is what you have to keep in mind. So mean, median and mode, that is what you have to keep in mind. 12.0. And let me know if the session was clear to everyone. Okay, so if the session was clear to everyone, then definitely I'm very happy that you guys are understanding. Okay, and once again I said, let us connect on the Instagram. And if there are 500 plus likes, tomorrow you are going to have 5 hours of the session, right? So if there are 500 plus likes, one more time I'll write. Okay, and please let me know how was the session, guys. Did you really enjoy? So if tomorrow 500 plus likes are there today, then 12 to 3 one session and 5 to 7 another session will be happening tomorrow. Okay, very good night, take care, all the very, very best. Okay, take care. So 92 likes still have, yeah, so not 92, some people already liked it now. So we are sort of 87 likes. Definitely 87 people will do that, and tomorrow we will have a very good session, a great session. Please don't worry about it. Okay, thank you, take care, all the very, very best. Thank you so much, sir, for your efforts. We are always grateful. Thank you. I like the session from all phones in my home. Please, other sessions are definitely, so Tejas, so other sessions will definitely come tomorrow. Bye bye.